Which synonym belongs to tribute? The correct answer is Harriet. Which synonym belongs to eminent? The correct answer is towering. Which synonym belongs to desecrate? The correct answer is pervert. Which synonym belongs to sheer? The correct answer is shears. Which synonym belongs to athwart? The correct answer is overthwart. Which synonym belongs to ambiguous? The correct answer is equivocal. Which synonym belongs to phlegmatic? The correct answer is apathetic. Which synonym belongs to stickler? The correct answer is formalist. Which synonym belongs to integrate? The correct answer is swallow. Which synonym belongs to incorporeal? The correct answer is intangible. Which synonym belongs to extant? The correct answer is existing. Which synonym belongs to parlance? The correct answer is jargon. Which synonym belongs to epaulette? The correct answer is shoulder board. Which synonym belongs to meddlesome? The correct answer is interfering. Which synonym belongs to retract? The correct answer is withcall. Which synonym belongs to dissemble? The correct answer is take no notice of. Which synonym belongs to inscrutable? The correct answer is ineffable. Which synonym belongs to barterer? The correct answer is traitor. Which synonym belongs to slapdash? The correct answer is hastily. Which synonym belongs to forward? The correct answer is onward.